What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this update, this daily update on Ethereum. We'll do a full in-depth dive on the technicals of Ethereum, which there are some interesting things we can say about that. We'll talk about what happened yesterday, quite some volatility, but just also in general what you can expect from Ethereum. Alright, so let's get right into it. Hope you're all having a great Friday morning, of course. Probably volume is up quite a bit for Ethereum. We had some big moves, whale moves, definitely. I mean, you can see that like $360 million in volume was added in 5 minutes. Well, if that's not whale behavior, then I don't know what is. And then before that, also some shady price movements. But I mean, it's it's a little bit manipulated, but that's crypto for you, of course. Volume with that went up, still compared to the market cap very low, but I mean, that's the bear market. So if we take a look at the price right now, if we drag away my analysis, which this has been my analysis for the last 4 days, all right? But there are some things that are changing and some things we need to talk about. What we did yesterday is a big fake out because we dropped down to 1185 and then and then got right back above that, above the main key level around 1200 again soon after. And that's why it's always important to, if we get a breakout, at least on the 4-hour time frame, to really confirm it. So we'll almost always drop back down, and if we then don't find resistance there, then it's a fake out. But that's just a little bit of a trading education, I guess. But right now the thing is that we have ever since broken above that red line. And yesterday when we talked about Ethereum, that was, I mean, this was a resistance pushing us down. Now we've broken above that. We even, in this instance, Ethereum was more bullish of Bitcoin. We even got a higher high. We reached all the way up to this top of this small resistance level at 1235, while the bottom is 1225. Reached that, it's still too strong of a resistance level. As you can see, we got that 382 FIP there. So, I mean, we would need some sort of a bullish catalyst to push us above that, I think. Today really is the last day in which we can get that, at least until Sunday evening, because Saturday and Sunday and during the day usually not a lot of big moves happen. And the thing is that I do expect, as you can see, that bullish breakout above 1235, after which we will probably I think get up to this level around 1250 and 1270, which is our next resistance level, and that's maybe the strongest level you can see on this entire chart, maybe apart from 1150. But we need to get there, and we need some sort of, as I said, a bullish catalyst. And if we then take a look at the fundamentals, namely the dollar strength index, what you can see is that this is negatively correlated with Ethereum. For most of you know that, but if you don't know, now you know. And this has been in the downtrend, so that's good. All right, Ethereum was also in an uptrend. You can kind of see that it moved alongside with each other. But then that stopped when we had that after the interest rate news and stuff and bearish fundamentals. Then it kind of stopped. But now the same thing is going on. So we are kind of in a small uptrend. It could be the start of one at least. And the dollar strength index is still in a downtrend. But what we need to do is we need to really make that new lower low, because you can also see that we have some bullish momentum for the Dixie. That's how you can call it, the dollar strength index. So what we're doing is we need to go up to 104.75, or that's what we'll probably do. We don't have to. And then from there, we need to kind of break that bullish momentum. So we need to drop back down to 103.5. If we do that, then we continue the downtrend for the DXY. And then I think Ethereum can get that bullish breakout above 1235 and get up to that next resistance level around 1250 and 1270. I don't think we'll break above that, all right? But at least, I mean, there's a chance. There's always a chance, but it's always better to get to a next resistance level, right? It also provides some more support then. But that's what I expect. But as I said, we could still consolidate here, and I do expect us to still consolidate between 1195 and 1235 for the next couple of days. And then at some point next week, hopefully, we can get that bullish breakout. But the other side of the story, which I don't expect, but what is true, and the video is getting a little bit long, but I think this is important to talk about for everybody still here. The thing is that if we get up to 104.75, which, as I said, I expect, if we break above that, then that's a clear reversal sign, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to get a full reversal, but it's a reversal sign. If that happens, then we're going to drop down. we're going to drop down to at least 1150. So I do want you to know that, even though I don't expect that. If that happens, then I do think, if that happens for the Dixie, then I do think Ethereum will follow suit. So yeah, but that's my take on Ethereum this morning. If you do have any questions or if you have anything to say, always let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, enjoy your Friday, and bye.